Good morning, students. Welcome to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bonde High School, Lonavala. Standard 1, Subject English 2, Representing Teacher Mrs. Ashwini Satpute. In today's English grammar class, we are going to study a very interesting chapter, Adjectives. But before moving to the chapter, let us do the revision of nouns. Words used to name a person, place, animal or thing are called nouns or naming words. Let us see some examples. A girl. A girl is an example of a person. A school. It is example of place. A tiger. It is an example of an animal. And a ball. It is an example of a thing. Now children, let us revise pronouns. Words used to replace nouns are called pronouns. Children, there are two types of pronouns, singular pronouns and plural pronouns. He, she, it and I are singular pronouns, whereas we, they are plural pronouns. Children, you is a special pronoun that we can use as singular pronoun also and as plural pronoun also. So children, let us start our chapter Adjectives. Chapter number 19, Adjectives. Page number 46. Let us know what is adjectives. Words that describe the quality, how is it, of nouns or pronouns are called adjectives. Let us understand with few examples. A smart boy. So here the word smart is describing the personality of a noun boy. So smart is an adjective. A big hall. Here the word big is describing the size of the hall, which is noun. So big is an adjective. A round ball. Here the word round is describing shape of the ball. So round is an adjective. A fat lady. Children, here the word fat is describing how the lady is. So fat is an adjective. Children, adjectives are divided mainly in three groups. Quality, how is it? Quantity, how much? And color. Words used for numbers, colors, size and shape are also adjectives. Example of number. 1 hen, 4 chicks. Here the word 1 and 4 is describing the number of hen and chicks. Let us see an example of color. A green parrot. Here the word green is describing the color of the noun parrot. Example of size. A tall boy and a short boy. Here the words tall and short are describing the size of the two boys. Example of shape. A rectangular photo frame. The word rectangular is describing the shape of the photo frame. An adjective also describes how someone or something look, taste, feel, smell or sound like. An adjective also tells us about the material, temperature and age of a noun. Example of look. A beautiful girl. The word beautiful is describing the look of the girl. So beautiful is an adjective. Example of taste. Salty chips. Here the word salty is describing the taste of the chips. Hot soup. Here the word hot is describing the temperature of the soup. So, hot is an adjective. Sad boy. The word sad is describing the feeling of the boy. A wooden table. Here the word wooden is describing the material of the table. An old man. Here the word old is describing the age of the man. Students, here a point that we should note. An adjective is usually placed before a noun. He has 2 pencils. Children, here the word 2 is describing the number of pencils and it is placed before the noun pencils. I love to eat sweet mangoes. Sweet is the word which is describing the noun mangoes. She has a wooden pencil box. Here again, wooden is an adjective and it is placed before the noun pencil box. This is a big ball. Here, ball is the noun in this sentence and big is an adjective which is placed before a noun to describe the noun ball. Now children, all adjectives have opposites. Children, look carefully. The word big is an adjective and its opposite small is also an adjective. Again, sharp is an adjective and opposite of sharp, blunt is also an adjective. Tall, short. These both are also adjective. Fat, thin. They are also adjective. I hope you all understood the concept of adjectives and you will recognize accordingly. Thank you.